Hello, my name is John Bagwell and welcome to today's training lesson, How to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing in 2020. Now first, I'm not going to start talking about you heading into ClickBank, choosing an affiliate program based on Gravity, or blogging or guest posting or creating videos or marketing with a zero ad budget. I want to explain something to you that is extremely important to your online success. Approximately 90 to 95% of all affiliate marketers before you failed in the first 120 business days. Let me repeat that. All the affiliate marketers before you, 90 to 95% of them failed in the first 120 business days. Now, why did they fail? They did not understand the root cause for online business failure. They just leaped into creating an online business. They heard affiliate marketing, they could get in relatively cheap, create a sales funnel, market on a zero ad budget, and leaped in, not evaluating the business reality. And the reality is that 90 to 95% of all affiliate marketers will fail in the first 120 business days, simply because they did not understand the root cause for online business failure. Now, there's many aspects to failing with an online business, but to get to specific issues relating to the root cause, all relates to one simple issue: purchase demand. If no one wants to buy your product, why should you create a website or sales funnel or market your website or sales funnel? Because no one is interested in your product, or it's so oversaturated it makes it very difficult for you to make any money. It's that simple. I've created a free ebook, Why 90% of New Online Businesses Fail. Just click the link in the description and read the ebook and follow the instructions. It's 100% free of charge. There is no expensive coaching program, no expensive upsell. Totally 100% free. Thank you for your time.